In an era of rapid growth towards urbanization, Hyderabad pacing up to the buoyant urban lifestyle. Remodeling of roads, construction and renovation of residential and commercial buildings, demolition of old establishments, due to which construction and demolition waste is generated in Hyderabad. In order to tackle this crisis through effective waste management, GHMC has launched its first ever C&D plant at Jidimetla, Hyderabad. This innovative and long-lasting solution to C&D waste crisis involves recycling using the plant. With a capacity of 500 metric tons per day located at Jidimetla and Fattalguda, by using wet processing technology to inhibit emission of dust during recycling. Equipped with special segregation system, debris handling system, multiple screening system, material washing, sand washing, water management system. The plant site receives waste from various areas where it undergoes the process of segregation, crushing and sieving into 4 categories of recycle, recovery, reuse, reduce. To produce 4 kinds of material, which are processed recycled waste used for raw materials for producing eco and non-load bearing structures. Maximum utility for a sustainable urban living.